Hi, this is April Week 3, second grade math, and we're going to be looking at word problems. Two children were on vacation. The sister read 13 books and her brother read 11. How many books did they read altogether? Do we know all the stuff? Nope. Make a box. And put a question mark. We don't know all the stuff. Is the stuff the same? Books and books. So we can put the stuff, when it's the same, we can put it down here. Make a line part way along the bottom of the box. Do we know part of the stuff? Yes. The sister read 13 books. Do we know the other part? Yes. Her brother read 11. When we know both parts, but we don't know all of the stuff, the parts go and it's a plus. So we're going to write an algorithm. With adding, it doesn't matter which number goes on top. We'll go ahead and put the little guy on top. 11. And then we'll put the other number underneath. And a plus sign. And we're going to add units first. 1 plus 3, 4. And now the tens. 1 plus 1, 2. And our sum is 24 books. Let's look at another problem. A flock of 43 cranes was flying south. 5 of them got tired and settled in a field for the evening. How many cranes kept flying south? Do we know all the stuff? Yes, this time we do. This time it told us that the flock of cranes had 43 cranes in it, so we do know all the stuff. Make a box and write 43. Is the stuff the same? Cranes and cranes. Yes. So we can put the part of the stuff here. Do we know part of the stuff? How many cranes got tired? 5. Do we know the other part? Nope. Make a line for the other part, but we can't put anything on it. What kind of problem is this? Takeaway. This time it does matter which number goes on top. The big number has to go on top because you can't take a big number away from a little number. So we're going to write 43 for our minuend and 5 for our subtrahend. And takeaway sign. And we're going to do units first. 3 take away 5. You can't do that. So you're going to cross out the 4 tens and leave 3 and steal one of them Put it there, and now you have 13. 13 take away 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And the difference is 8. Now look at your 10s. In your minuend you have 3 10s left because you took one of them. And you're taking none away. So 3 take away nothing is 3. And your remainder is 38 cranes that kept flying south. Now we're going to do another problem. Some women gathered water at a well. There were 6 women. Each one got 8 pitchers of water. How many pitchers did they get altogether? Do we know all the stuff? No. Make a box and put a question mark. Is the stuff the same? Women and pitchers. It's not the same. We cannot put it down here. So we're going to make bubbles. One bubble goes here, and one goes here. Do we know part of the stuff? Yes, 6 for the women. Do we know the other part? Yes, 8 for the pitchers. The only operational sign that won't pop these bubbles is a times. So this is going to be a times problem. Let's write our algorithm. Six times 8. Okay. And we can skip count, or we can draw groups of 8. If you know your 8s, go ahead and skip count with me, and we're going to make 6 of them. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. So altogether the women got 48 pitchers of water. If you don't know your 8s, another way to do it is to draw 6 groups of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now count them. You know that's 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Took a little longer, but you can do it. We got time for one more problem. Doki the robot gave his friend Lila 8 roses for Valentine's Day. If he spent $24 altogether, then how much did each rose cost? Do we know all the stuff? Yeah, because it said $24 altogether. So make a box. And write 24 inside the box. We do know all the stuff. Okay, is the stuff the same? Roses and dollars. It's not the same. So we cannot put the stuff down here. We're going to have to do bubbles. And the part of the stuff that we do know is he gave her 8 roses. So we're going to put 8 in this bubble. This time we want a sign that will fit between the amounts that we know. So last time we did a times sign because the amounts that we knew were in the bubbles. But this time we need something that's going to go between this number and that one. And the only thing that works is the scythe shape. And give it a handle. Looks like we're going to be doing a division. Let's write our algorithm. 24 divided by 8. And we're skip counting 8s again, just like last time. 8, 16, 24. Stop. How many groups of 8 made 24? 3. So for our quotient, we have 3. Each rose costed $3. If you don't know your 8s, you can draw them just like we did before. And you just draw groups of 8 until you get to 24. It should be 3 groups of 8. All right. Your lesson is over, and this counts for all your math today.